We're in a place called Hegra. I wanted to know that Hegra is so important for us as Saudi Kingdom. Some local call this place Madain Saleh. That means cities of Saleh. Here we have 4 civilizations used to live here in the same land. Starting with the Nabataean Kingdom. Do you know the Nabataean? Nabataean.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sekarang pukul 7 pagi. Pagi lagi kami dah bangun. Kami bersiap-siap untuk aktiviti pagi ni. Alhamdulillah, cuaca memang best. Sejuk. Pagi ni 18 darjah Celsius. Lepas tu kita boleh lihat lah, ni kawasan sekeliling dia. Memang sangat-sangat amazing. Okay, ni kawasan tempat zurin. Hai.
هاني يعني انا احسن شيء
هاني so
استحمل المنظمين هم كذا شوي
banana cream honey honey ايوه
with brown bread
brown bread. Okay. This one?
Pie.
Brown pie.
Brown pie.
Then they mix together.
Yeah.
Is it sweet?
Yes.
It is sweet. Okay. We'll try. But
Also, this one is gulaba.
what?
This one is gulaba.
Gula?
Gulaba.
Gulaba.
Yeah, gulaba.
What is that?
Gulaba, it's like a full.
Okay.
Like a full, yeah.
It's a full.
Full, but gulaba.
The name is
This
gulaba.
traditional full. Full.
Okay, this is
This one, yeah,
sorry.
gulaba.
Yes.
This one, adas.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, we'll try.
Yeah, try.
Zura ada simple breakfast yang sedap. Macam biasa, olive oil ni, bread, tapi maksum dia memang sedap. Baiklah, first of all, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Zurin takut Zurin menyampaikan satu perkara yang salah. Kita orang akan ke Madain Saleh dahulu. Seperti yang kita tahu, kisah Madain Saleh ni, Zurin akan buat different vlog khas untuk Madain Saleh, based dengan apa yang tertulis di dalam Al-Quran. Jadi tujuan Zurin ke sana adalah untuk melihat sendiri, mengambil ibrah dengan apa yang telah berlaku kepada mereka, kepada kaum Nabi Saleh alaihissalam. Ya, sebagai peringatan untuk diri Zurin. Okay, sebagai peringatan yang juga Zurin kongsikan untuk vlog Zurin kali ini. Zurin dah sampai kat kawasan ni. So sekarang pukul 9.04.
Almost 2 hours. Okay. In those 2 hours, we have 4 stops. Okay. In each stops, I'm gonna start to explain Arabic first. I will give you 10 minutes to walk and to join the place. Then I will explain in English. Got it? Each stop.
Kat sana dah ada tempat 4 persinggahan. Ya, InsyaAllah Zurin akan bawa sama-sama pomegranate and
Pomegranate and also orange.
orange. Okay, one pomegranate.
What? Orange.
Yeah. Can I have one pomegranate? Okay. Dia ada buah tin, ada yes. Ni kek kurma. Thank you so much. Cawan dia ni manis, sedap.
English now. Come close. Remind you that my name is Sahar, S-A-H-A-R, and I am your tour guide for 2 hours. And that is my colleague Sultan. He is the ranger, I mean protector of this place. Okay. Hegra. I wanted to know that Hegra is so important for us as Saudi Kingdom. Some local call this place Madain Saleh. That means cities of Saleh. This place is the first Saudi heritage site that been registered on UNESCO, and that happened in 2008. Before that day, this place was open for public. That's why some damage happened to this area. Here we have 4 civilizations used to live here in the same land, starting with the Nabataean Kingdom. Do you know the Nabataean? Nabataean were a huge Bedouin Arab tribe, and they used to travel from a place to another until they settle in Jordan. And what we create there in Jordan?
Petra.
Exactly, they create Petra in Jordan, or Bitra in Jordan. While this place, Hegra, were located on the tradeway. That's why Nabataean thought, if we came to live here in Hegra, we will make our business and civilization bigger. And yeah, that's what happened. They came to live here before 2,100 years ago.
Okay.
That means 100 before Christ. They carved 131 tombs like this one. They built their city and they carved their religion. I want you to know that they didn't leave Petra, their first capital city, but this is the second capital city.
Okay.
Okay. Now we are standing in front of a mountain or a tomb. We as a local people called it the unique. We call this one Al-Farid, the unique. And why we will do that? Because this one is the only tomb that been carved in a huge mountain by itself. Other tombs will be groups in the same mountain, not this one. Plus it's unique by the location. There is no any other tombs beside it. And it's unique by the details. So here we have 4 Roman columns. Can you see the columns?
Yes,
We have
1, 2,
4.
3,
But
4.
in any other tombs you have only 2. That's
Okay.
why we called it the unique. Let's talk a little bit about the owner.
Okay.
The owner is a guy called Lahyan, son of Kuza. His name was Lahyan, son of Kuza, and Lahyan was the general of the Nabataean army. To prove that he was super rich, he decided to buy the whole mountain just to carve a tomb for himself.
Okay.
But the sad happened in the end, because the theory said the war starts between the Roman and the Nabataean. By the way, this civilization, Nabataean, ended by the Roman. Roman destroyed this civilization. The war starts between them, and Lahyan, the owner, as a general, he go out to defend his country. He died far away. They didn't bring the body. That's why this amazing tomb still empty. There is no one buried inside. Remember that we are standing in front of Al-Farid, or the unique tomb. It's a tomb belong to the general of the Nabataean army, Lahyan son.
Lahyan.
Yes.
Lahyan, son of Kuzi.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now it will be your time to take your photo.
Okay.
From here in this yellow area or from up there. Okay.
Can I ask you something? Is
For
it the
sure.
same also Nabataean with the tabuk with the Nabi Shu'aib area?
Shu'aib, no,
Yeah,
no,
it's not different, but is it
Yes.
Nabataean also?
Yeah. No, it's not even Nabataean.
Okay.
It's different. Nabataean lived in Bitra and here only.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, tempat pertama Zurin dah sampai dekat Thomb, Lahyan, son of Kuzi. So, ya, macam yang dia bagi tahu tadi, Thomb ni kosong sebab dia Panglima ni dia pergi berperang kat tempat lain dan mati di situ dan tidak bawa mayat tu ke sini lah. Jadi Thomb ni kosong. Kawasan dia kat sini memang subhanallah, memang sangat memukau pandangan. Kalau kita tengok kat sana batu-batu dia dekat sebelah Thomb ni tadi ada satu batu ni lah, sangat amazing pembentukan dia. Zurin tak pastilah sama ada mereka tebuk ke, because sebab benda ni dah berlaku beribu tahun. Jadi macam yang biasa Zurin lihat lah, faktor angin, cahaya, cuaca, masa, semua tu memainkan peranan dalam pembentukan hakisan-hakisan ni. Tapi itulah, nak cakap dia memang Sangat amazing lah batu-batu ni memang. Okay, kami menuju ke bas. Seperti yang dibagi tahu tadi 2 jam. So dalam 2 jam tu kita akan pergi 4 tempat. So ni dah sampai kat satu tempat lah, Lahyan son of Kuza, Thomb. Thomb tu kosong, tak ada mayat dalam tu. Dia memang sangat kaya lah orangnya. Seperti penerangan dia tadi lah, Zurin hanya repeat balik apa yang dia cakap lah. Baiklah, sekian sahaja episod untuk Madain Saleh, tempat pertama yang Zurin lawati, iaitu pemakaman Lahyan son of Kuza. Sesungguhnya yang baik itu datang daripada Allah SWT, kekurangan itu datang dari diri Zurin sendiri. Okey, kita nantikan next episode, tempat yang kedua. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum.